Hey guys, welcome back to my world. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. I appreciate the support. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. So yeah, I know it's been a while I haven't published a video, but I've been busy with my life. So today I say, you know what, let me get a video out for you guys. It's been a little while. Just want to give you a brief overview of what I'm going to do today, or what I want to accomplish. It's not set in stone that I'm going to get everything done, but my goal is to change the prop on the boat and on the motor, and I want to start running the wires, the harness for the motors as well, and possibly the throttle cables as well. So just stay tuned. I'm just going to put the tripod up with the GoPro and possibly just put a time lapse. So basically you can just call this a DIY video, do it yourself. I'm not a professional, so don't quote me. I'm just gonna do what I know, what's best for me, what works for me every time. So another guy might have another way of doing it, another terminology of how I might describe something. But anyhow, the first thing to do is remove the pin. I think it's called the cotter pin. So you're gonna remove that. You can use like a needle nose pliers and get that removed, and then we're going to remove this nut here, and the prop should come straight off. Well, it's been a little bit stubborn, so I'm just going to hammer it out a bit. Sometimes it could be a little bit seized in there, tight. Alright, and that should come right out now. So here we got it. You don't want to lose this. The new prop might come with one, or if it doesn't, I'm gonna have this one saved. What I like to do, just spray a little WD-40 on this as well to help me get things moving. And you're gonna need something to hold the prop so it doesn't spin. What I do, I use like a piece of lumber, 2x4, 2x6 can work perfectly. And you just want to put this right here like this. So when you're gonna pull the nut, the prop doesn't spin. Gonna put this right here. Try to get, oh, pulls very easy. Wow. Just want to put this nut up just in case. Right. I hammered the prop off because this is going to be trashed. With the new prop, I don't suggest you hammer it off. I know they have special tools to do that, and if this was greased freshly, it would have came off really smooth and easy. So yeah, I'm going to trash it, so you don't have to follow me hammer it off. I don't suggest it. I don't recommend it. Anyhow, so this is the old prop. So I'm going to open the box and get the new one. Like I said, we're saving all of these little things because we don't know what the new prop is coming with. Maybe someone can make some use of this. I'm not sure, but anyhow. Yeah, that's the old one. Let's get to this new one now. So I'm just gonna unbox this. I got this on Amazon. Pretty good deal. All right. So yeah, here we have the prop. So I'm going to clean this up a bit. That's some old grease, and I'm going to put some fresh grease on it and basically reverse the procedure I just did. So you can stay tuned. I can put this on a time lapse. I guess you guys already saw it's all done. So we have some marine grease. And what I like to do, instead of me getting my hands messy, I just push the whole tube over it like this. And that's more than enough.
More back here. I'm going to tighten this. I'm going to tighten a little bit more tighter than what I was previously torqued up.
This is a very important part of this procedure, the pin. Because without this nut can back off, and there you go, your prop is gone and you're left stranded at ocean.
That way, this can't spin off. So that procedure's done.
It's going to run the positive and negative battery cables from the batteries to the motors. I just got some new wires. The previous wires that I had was on the 60s and they were a little bit shorter. Where the terminals are on these Yamaha motors, they're to the side and a little bit further, so I need about a feet or two more. So I'm just going to do the whole cables over from scratch. Clumsy. Alright guys, so here we have some battery cables and some connectors. I'm going to run the some new cables from the motor to where the battery is going to be mounted. So I'm just going to measure those up now.
Should be perfect enough. Reach to that side. Reach it now here. To that. That being having a slack. I'd say right here is perfect. Just cut this. And when you're doing, so pull this out.
And measure for the next lengths as well. Try to get things neat. I just did this side. This came out pretty neat. I'll do this one now. there. Get this right here. I'm just gonna crimp this. That's not going nowhere. I need to slide this up. Slide this over that. There you have it. Looks very professional to me. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. So I'm gonna do this same process for the rest of the cables, and catch me back when I'm installing it in the motor and on the battery. So here it is, all done for both engines. So now I'm gonna install them and put that on a time lapse. Alright guys, so I'm finished. So the wires are around to the battery, and then I have the switch over here that connects both batteries and stuff. So this is going to be a two-part video. This is part one with me just changing the prop, making the wires, running the wires, and the second video would be with me starting the motors and doing a bit of a service and running the harness and the throttle cables and assembling the key switch and stuff up there. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Thanks for the support. Bye.